Some used to laugh at the idea of a rapper being the biggest name in sneakers. They could never outsell NBA superstars or gain the respect of footwear industry stalwarts. Then came Kanye West. It all started in 2009 with the release of his Nike Air Yeezy One, then came a Louis Vuitton collection, the Air Yeezy 2. A move to Adidas, and so the story goes. Of course, there are shoes he's done before that, unreleased Reebok S Carters and Nike Air Max 180s, but the true passion of West as a footwear designer was actualized when he got his own sneaker, the Yeezy. And now in all of its iterations. So what do? We rank them. So drop a like, subscribe, and check out our rankings. Adidas Yeezy Boost 750. In June of 2016, Kanye West was joined on the Summer Jam stage at the Meadowlands by fellow good music rappers Travis Scott, 2 Chainz, Big Sean, Pusha T, and Designer. Their joint performance was notable, but it was what was on their feet that stole the show. West and his disciples were laced in the new Yeezy Boost 750 in its gray/gum colorway that were released just a few days following this memorable outing. Built more like a boot than an actual sneaker, the 750, while not the easiest shoe in the Yeezy catalog to pull off, is one of the best built. Having been shelved since October 2016 and being limited to only 4 retail colorways, a new drop would be a welcome change of pace to the Adidas Yeezy market. Adidas Yeezy Boost 700 V2. Why fix it if it's not broken? The Adidas 700 is one of the best Kanye West sneakers of all time. The 700 V2 isn't bad, but it's not much, if any, improvement on the original design. With that said, the first shoe is so good that it regurgitated design, or slightly tweaked, whichever way you look at it, is still pretty decent. Adidas Yeezy 500. When the Yeezy 500 debuted in December 2017, it was met with immediate negativity by many because it was only available if you purchased a $760 clothing bundle. All future colorways would release sans the mandatory Kanye West garments, and the public reception shifted, but it's safe to say the initial launch was somewhat of a botch. Despite the minor hiccup, the silhouette is one of Kanye's more interesting designs, with the unconventional shape of its suede and mesh upper aligning perfectly with the chunky, trend-dominating sneakers at the time. Borrowing the midsole from Kobe Bryant's KB3 signature model is another added touch some might not realize, but it's certainly worth mentioning. The 500 has never been particularly hard to get, but the plethora of monochromatic colorways have all sold out with relative ease every single time. That doesn't mean they resell for super high prices though. All are good options if you want to score a Yeezy for a more reasonable price in comparison to some of its counterparts. Nike Air Yeezy One. This is the sneaker that started it all. The shoe, created in tandem with Nike designer Mark Smith and referenced some of West's favorite sneakers, including the Air Jordan 3, which he used to draw in class during elementary school. The sneaker released in 3 different colorways, which would become the base for not only his second Nike sneakers, but a whole gang of other shoes from Nike and various brands. The sneakers may have not held up as well as some of the other sneakers, mainly due to their big, bulky design, something that has fallen out of favor over the years, but it encapsulates the early energy and passion that West put into his sneakers. Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 V2. The most accessible Kanye West design with Adidas to date is also his most important. West's second sock sneaker with the 3 stripes helped him fulfill his promise that everyone who wanted Yeezys would eventually get them, thanks to an abundance of colorways and restocks over the years. The 350 V2s made West's sneaker line become more than just limited product for a select few lucky customers. It made Yeezys mainstream. Collectors might hate over the saturation and the lack of exclusivity the model now holds, but that's the exact reason why it is positioned so high on this list. Adidas Yeezy Boost 700. There's a strong case for the Adidas Yeezy Boost 700 to be the best Kanye West sneaker from a design standpoint. It's by far the best of the Adidas designs. Although the 350 V2 is more popular, it's got it all. Layers, materials, a build out of real silhouette, and an amazing OG colorway. The Wave Runner 700 is hands down Kanye's best Adidas sneaker. This sneaker also shifted a change in Kanye's line direction from sock shoes to real sneakers. He could go beyond boosted knit runners, although the 700 is encapsulated boost on the midsole. He had some depth to his range, the sneaker hit it at the right time too. The dad shoe trend was in its early stages, and this shoe was one of the best ones around. A thick midsole with a 90s design and help from one of the Godfather's original dad shoes, Stephen Smith. It's since dropped into a ton of muted, uninspiring colorways, which makes the original Wave Runner version that much more exciting. That's going to do it for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like on the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our videos in the future. I'll catch you next time. Goodbye.